Okay, jack is already started. Let's go to setup and jack, and frames period will be 10.24. Sample rate will be 44,100, and the periods and buffers will be 4. And let's make sure that the Midi driver is set to SEQ, and you'll see the latency is 92.9 milliseconds. Let's go to Applications, Accessories, and Gedit Text Editor. Let's go ahead and launch SuperColldier by going to Tools, SuperColldier Mode. We'll edit, paste some copied code. And let's go and move this out of the way to actually boot the local host server. Okay, and let's go to the Midi in connect line and then SuperColldier evaluate to get the connections we need to connect our USB Midi controller to our SuperColldier program. Okay, that's now connected, and we're going to select the next portion of code and then SuperColldier evaluate. You'll notice we're getting a frequency of 440 Hertz. And if we change a slider or move a slider, you're noticing that the frequency is not changing. This is due to the fact that this particular portion of code is actually bound to num20 and num21. Those are two specific sliders that have certain control values. And as I change one that's num20, you'll see it's going from 100 Hertz to 300 Hertz. And that's dealing with the line EXP particular part of the code. Once again, there's the 100, and going up it'll go to 300. And once again, I use the other sliders and they don't work, but if I use a slider bound to number 21, that's 4,000 to 20,000 Hertz. You'll hear it going from 4,000 to 20,000. And there's a section where you get the 20,000. And there's a low value of the 4,000. And that's also the high value of the 20,000. And we'll just go back to the low value of the 4,000. And we'll just stop the sound.